Hey Steve, and here we are at the Braves-Astros game. It's the 21 World Series champs against the 22 World Series champs. This is so exciting because to perform at that level, these teams have to know their stats and they have to use their stats to manage their risk and win consistently. And it's the same way with planning for your income in retirement. Do you know your stats? Do you know how much income you'll need in retirement? Do you know what your Social Security will be? Do you know how to use those stats to manage your risk in retirement? Risks like market volatility, inflation, running out of money, and living longer than your money lasts. Maybe you need a coach to identify your stats and mitigate those risks. That's where I come in. Let's develop a game plan to help you mitigate those risks with the smallest amount of money possible. That's why they call me Safe Money Steve. Call me today and let's come up with your game plan to secure your income in retirement, and go Braves.